Hi there, I'm Molly Horak from the Horak Group with Remax Boone Realty, and today's seller's tip is about curb appeal. Consider adding some flowers or plants to make your home more inviting. So there's nothing weirder than seeing a house that has absolutely nothing going on in the front yard, just like grass and then the house. It looks really sad and it looks like it's not a home, but we find these, especially with homes that are like 1 or 2 years post construction and the builder didn't put in a flower bed for some reason, so the homeowner never put in a flower bed. Take an afternoon, some like Sunday afternoon or something, and put in a flower bed. It makes the home look so much better. Put in some big flowers. If you don't think you will maintain the flower bed for some reason, or you're scared of weeding or something, you can do like a rock bed and put some like really interesting big rocks or something, but put something there, because if you don't, it looks weird. And then I have to hear buyers talking about it as we're walking up to the door, and they get really like thrown off by why you don't have a flower bed. Just be aware that's a thing people are saying. All right, thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.